Robert Kiyosaki's classic work on personal finance, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, provides insightful guidance on money, investing, and accumulating wealth. The book highlights the distinction between traditional, conservative financial thinking and entrepreneurial, wealth-building strategies by contrasting the financial philosophies of two father figures in Kiyosaki's life: his biological father, the poor dad, and the father of his best friend, the rich dad. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Wealth Freedom. Now let's get started. Number 1. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. The majority of people exchange their time for a wage in order to work for compensation. The wealthy, on the other hand, invest in assets that provide passive income in order to make their money work for them. They invest in real estate, start businesses, and buy assets that appreciate in value over time rather than depending only on a salary. Consider those who own rental homes. Their investment makes money while they concentrate on other endeavors, so they don't need to work every day to pay the rent. Instead of concentrating only on getting a paycheck, start concentrating on assets that generate money. Find out about stocks, real estate, or side ventures that can generate passive income. Number 2. Financial education is more important than a high salary. Building wealth requires financial awareness, according to Kiyosaki. Due to a lack of financial education, many high-income workers nevertheless have financial difficulties. Gaining more money is not as valuable as knowing how money, taxes, and investments operate. Even a six-figure wage can disappear owing to inadequate money management if one lacks the necessary financial expertise. On the other hand, those with small earnings who possess sound financial knowledge can eventually amass substantial wealth. Think about lottery winners who, due to their inability to handle their unexpected fortune, go bankrupt within a few years. Conclusion: make the effort to educate yourself on investing, budgeting, and personal finance. Number 3. Buy assets, not liabilities. The distinction between assets and liabilities is among Rich Dad, Poor Dad's most important lessons. While liabilities, loans, pricey automobiles, credit card debt, take money out of your pocket, assets, stocks, rental properties, enterprises, put money in your pocket. The wealthy concentrate on building up assets that bring in passive income. Although a brand new car may appear to be an asset, it swiftly loses value and necessitates continuous costs for upkeep and insurance. On the other hand, purchasing a modest rental home could increase in value over time and produce monthly income. Consider whether a purchase is an asset or a liability before making it. Aim to reduce needless liabilities while increasing your asset column. Number 4. Mindset shapes wealth. Your mentality is often reflected in your financial status. You won't ever take the chances required to accumulate riches if you think it's hard to make money. Instead of playing things safe, the wealthy embrace possibilities and take measured risks. A fixed attitude restricts your potential, whereas a growth mindset pushes you to grow, change, and solve problems. According to Rich Dad, having faith in your ability to succeed financially is the first step towards achieving it. Before they thrive, entrepreneurs sometimes experience setbacks. Their mentality makes them view setbacks as teaching opportunities rather than as dooms. Change your perspective from one of scarcity to one of abundance by viewing opportunities rather than constraints. Set lofty objectives, engage in constructive self-talk, and surround oneself with growth-promoting others. Number 5. Work to learn, not just to earn. Instead of considering learning possibilities, many people base their employment choices on pay. Instead of only pursuing a paycheck, Kiyosaki advises pursuing careers that impart useful skills, like sales, investment, and entrepreneurship. Gaining skills in sales, personnel management, and market trends can benefit you long after you leave your current position. You can use these transferable abilities to excel in a variety of spheres of your life. Although a recent graduate working in sales might not make as much money at first, they will acquire vital persuading and negotiation abilities that are extremely essential in the commercial world. Seek employment or side projects that advance your business and financial acumen. Give top priority to events that push you and increase your knowledge. Number 6. The power of entrepreneurship and investing. Rich Dad promotes investing and starting your own business as ways to achieve financial independence. The goal is to generate numerous sources of income rather than depending just on one employer, whether it be through business startup, stock investing, or rental property ownership. While investors increase their money without actively working for it, entrepreneurs have control over their time and future earnings. Both call for a readiness to take chances and a lifelong learning process. Starting an online business eventually allows one to automate processes and make money while on vacation. In a similar vein, an investor in dividend-paying equities gets consistent income without having to work every day. Look for ways to invest in income-generating ventures or launch a side business. To become financially independent, you need to diversify your sources of income. Number 7, take risks, but be smart about it. The rich recognize that risk is a necessary component of success, but the majority of people fear failure. They do, however, educate themselves, assess prospects, and take measured actions rather than taking careless chances. If risk is properly managed, it can result in growth. Because it gives you the knowledge to make wise decisions, financial education lowers risk. Those who do extensive research before purchasing stocks are less likely to incur large losses than those who make rash decisions. Be willing to take chances, but before making any financial decisions, always do your research and make a strategy. With the correct attitude, failure can serve as a potent teacher. Number 8, the importance of sales and marketing skills. Kiyosaki emphasizes that marketing and sales are essential for success in every industry. If no one is aware of your excellent product or service, it makes no difference. Gained expertise in marketing and sales. The ability to market an idea, product, or investment is essential for both investors and entrepreneurs. Develop your ability to promote yourself, communicate well, and comprehend the needs of your customers. Number 9, don't let fear or cynicism stop you. Cynicism and fear have the power to paralyze you and prevent you from reaching your financial objectives. Instead of concentrating on risks and barriers, the rich emphasize opportunities and solutions. Recognize your fears, but resist allowing them to rule you. Consider what you can do to reduce risks and seize opportunities rather than what could go wrong. Keep in mind that part of the path to success is learning from your failures. Number 10, taxes and the importance of financial literacy. The wealthy are aware of the tax code and know how to take advantage of it. To reduce their debt, they employ legitimate tax techniques. To make sure you are utilizing all of the credits, deductions, and tax techniques that could help you keep more of your income, educate yourself on tax laws and think about consulting with a financial advisor or accountant. Wealthy Father, Poor Dad is about cultivating the mindset and practices that lead to financial success, not just about money. By concentrating on financial knowledge, investing in assets, and adopting the mindset of the wealthy, you can change your financial future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Wealth Freedom. Thanks for watching.